Hello, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So, welcome to my channel Computer Science Project. So, today I have come with a new project that is stock price prediction project. It is machine learning based project, and this one important thing I want to tell you guys. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and share this channel to your friends also, so they can also get benefit. They can get idea how to make project for their college. So let's see this project first. What is stock? If I'll ask you basic question, can you please explain or give me a one line definition? Okay, let me tell you. Stock is a one part or some part of ownership of a company. Means you buy a stock, you buy some owner, you get a ownership badge of that company. Means you have took a part of that company. So same as that why now this question, why company do that? See, company need investment to grow. If they will grow, so they need money. So from where the money will come? It will come from investor like us common peoples or investor. So same as that people invest in a company because they think it will grow, so we will also get benefit for that. As suppose that you spend 100 rupees on one Reliance company, and suppose that that company grow 10 times, so you will also get profit for that. So it is win-win situation for both, like company and you also. So we got to know that what is stock. Now main question, that what we are using in this, we are using machine learning algorithms for this. Now, okay, but in this project, what terms, what function we are going to use? Like we don't know how to predict or how to work on stock price prediction. So what we will use, or we will see the real life world, uh, you can say website, that what it is going on there. So for India, there is one NSC, you can see Nifty, Sensex, or BSC to show different stocks. So suppose that here when I open this, it is showing us open, high, low, and for top, like they are like top Nifty bank. So there is written ICICI, SBI. So ICICI India top private bank, as you know. So for this bank there is also open, close, you can see, and a stock volume. So for SBI also open, close, stock volume. So we got to know that every website have a which work on stock, that they have open, close, and stock volume. So same as that, like in India where you can go and spend. I will show you, I will just give you clue that I think you also know Zerodha and Upstocks are there. Now let's see our project. See, this is our project code. So what, how to run this project code? You have to go on file, then open folder, then you open this project folder. So for this, if you want project code or documents, you can contact me. I will give my contact whole information in YouTube description. You can contact me easily, no problem in that. Now please continue on this, otherwise I will forget some point. So file, open folder, when you will click on open folder, we will get this type of view. Then we will click on app.py. Okay, then we will click on this button, run button. Okay, so you must be thinking that what kind of output we got after running this. See, this is a front end plus back end project. On front end, we have used HTML as for making a web page. On back end, we have used, you can see, Python flask for it. Okay, so running on, we will click on this one. Yes, it has started. So suppose that we want to know for Yahoo, Indian stock market project, what sign? Oh, here it is one. We are getting one H3. Let me change it first so it may look good. Okay. Yes. Now I will run again. We will not get that stupid looking thing. See, see, now it is good. Now it is not showing that H3 or whatever it was. So we want to see for Yahoo. We will click, we will give open price, suppose at 200. Sorry. And high price, suppose at 210, low price 190, and stock volume 240. So when I will click on predict close price, see, we are getting close price as prediction is this. So we got to know that if investors, common public, or even if we use this project, we will able to understand the like logic, or you can say we can do analysis of upcoming stocks, so we can invest wisely, we can save our money, and we can get a profit for that. So it is win-win situation for everyone. And mm, so if you want this project code, uh, documents, so you can mail me or contact me. I will give my like contact email ID and WhatsApp number, YouTube description. You can ask me any question on YouTube channel or personally mail me. I will help you out. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will post one videos every week, and it will be helpful for everyone, as you can get idea how to make project and what to make project. And like this project people prefer and they are getting good marks, you can also get good marks. So you can mail me at vatsanjojo7@gmail.com for any kind of project help. Even if you want some kind of changes in this project, or you want like some new project development, you can contact me. I will help you on that. Thank you. Hope we meet once again.